Check out this really new cool feature found on Samsung phones with One UI 7.0, and it's known as live notifications, which allow you to play a video audio only, just the audio only, in the background, and even plays while on the lock screen. I'll show you where to go to enable this feature and how it works. You want to first go into the quick settings and tap on the settings option right here. Then type in the words live notifications in the quick search. So you'll be typing this right here, live notifications. And when you type it, you'll see the suggestion, go right into it. It is part of the lock screen settings or the always on display settings. Now, once you're here, you'll see that these icons show up here for you, and the one you want to make sure that's turned on for the video to play in the background, just audio only, would be this option here, the one that says media player only. So once this is all done, what you're going to do, and let's just say you are currently watching a video on a web browser such as Google, and I'm watching this here, the Akame Kill right now. And while you're here, and let's just say you go into the recents mode or the home button, this will now appear up here automatically for you. It may enter into a pause mode sometimes, and you simply just go down here and press play. And now you can hear the audio.
It's starting to feel kind of like we're on a date, isn't it, my darling?
And it's going to be playing the video audio only while here or anywhere else that you decide to go on your phone, which is really cool. It's like playing just the audio only, and I'm sure lots of us like that. But what's even more awesome, and I don't think that's proper English, is if you are on the lock screen, here we go again, you can hear it. So it's playing now, right? And now in the lock screen, you can also hear it. What more do you want, guys? That is so awesome. And you can control it from down here as well. So pause and then play. So what do you think about this feature? Awesome or not? Like and sub.